Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. I don't know what you would call this, a pinwheel or a flower, but you could change the lines and you could change have no lines, and pretty easy. Just got to remember a few steps because you don't want anything overlapping. So we're going to take any size. I'm going to make it 12 inches and I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to control duplicate that, and I'm going to grab this, holding down the shift key so it'll grow from the center. What I want is a semi-bowl looking deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 14 inches. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, set on any color. We'll happen to use that red. I'm going to fill in that and that because I wanted those two parts. Now we can get rid of that. Move that back. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm actually going to group them together, and I'm going to control D to make a duplicate. I'm going to double click on the X, and I'm going to move it right there to the node. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. This is the part we want. So I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in those two parts. I'm going to nudge them out of the way so I can just delete this or nudge it out of the way so you can keep looking at it. Now there's two parts of this. We're going to move it up and I'm going to select the top part, and I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to swipe through there and give it a little bit of darkness like it's the edge of a cup. Now that might be too much, so we'll go there. Now I always like clicking off of it and then clicking with my pick tool. You can actually click it with your interactive fill tool. And let's, you know what? Let's leave it that little bit of white down there and see if it looks any difference. Now, Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, double click and move to that edge or that node and rotate it now 45 degrees. And what I'm trying to get at is I don't want anything overlapping, because when I get to the last one, it'll fit in there evenly. I actually like the black one better. And so we could just back up a few steps. And actually, let's change the color and see if it makes anything better. Let's go here, ungroup them. If you remember, we grouped them. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to change it to this burnt orange on both of them. But I'm going to go ahead and put black instead of the white. You know what? It doesn't look as good as the red. Let's make it a little bit darker. That'll look okay. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, double click on the rotation and move it to that node and rotate it 45 degrees. Anyway, and then you can still, you can kind of see the line, so you could actually take it all and put the lines that color, make them black, make them white, and make things stand out. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.